In this guide, we are going over the best early class here in Slay the Spire 2. This is based on the current meta, and it's going to tell you which characters give you the best chance of climbing ascensions and winning runs. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, I do want to say there's not necessarily a bad class here in Slay the Spire 2. I like to kind of if it was a tier list, label them B all the way up to S. But let's go ahead and start with B tier, which the first one is Necrobinder, because it focuses on summoning minions and interacting with the graveyard, which can obviously create powerful loops later in the run. However, it can be super risky early on because of its mechanics relying on blood magic and spending HP, which can make fights a lot harder. Another B tier option is Regent, which uses star forging mechanics to power up attacks like Sovereign Blade. While Regent is obviously pretty strong and has great late game potential, the class can feel a bit slower and clunkier during the early stages of a run. In terms of A tier, we have Defect, which uses orb mechanics, channeling lightning, frost, and dark orbs for passive damage. That's going to be our first one right there. As long as you have the right focus scaling, Defect can, build extremely strong defense setups while slowing and destroying enemies with orb damage. But as a part of another A tier, you have Silent, because Silent excels at discard strategies and Shiv generation, as well as poison builds. When her deck starts flowing, she can trigger constant card effects that stack poison or unleash huge bursts of damage against elites and bosses. Now, for the best of the best, you have Ironclad, because it's by far one of the strongest early character builds thanks to Burning Blood, which heals you after every fight and gives, your runs a lot more consistency. He also has powerful strength scaling cards like Demon Form, allowing you to ramp up damage quickly and take down bosses with heavy attacks or exhaust-based builds. Overall, Ironclad is one of the most forgiving and reliable characters for climbing ascensions. If you're just starting out or trying to increase your win rate, Ironclad is by far the best class to begin with. Once you're comfortable, I'd recommend learning some of these other classes to increase your depth. But that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.